Hello everyone. So today let us learn the English conversation between a doctor and a patient. This video will be very helpful for the English beginners. Those who are trying to learn English, this video will be very helpful. So listen carefully, learn and then try to speak. So let us begin. Good morning, doctor. Good morning. Please come in. How can I help you today? I feel bad. I have a cough and a runny nose. I see. How long have you felt this way? Since Monday. Do you have a fever? Yes, a little. Let's check your temperature. It's a bit high. It sounds like you have a cold. What should I do? Rest. Drink lots of water. And take this medicine for your fever and cough. Okay, thank you, doctor. You're welcome. Now there is an entry of another patient. Hello, doctor. My stomach is paining. Hello. How long has it been paining? Since 2 days. Are you eating well? Not really. I ate something bad, I think. You might have food poisoning. Drink clear fluids and avoid solid food for a few hours. Okay, anything else? If the pain does not go away, come back. Let's do a scan. Thank you so much. Of course. Take care. Now we'll have a conversation between a doctor and a girl. Hi. Hello, doctor. What's your name? My name is Shara. How old are you? I am 12 years old, doctor. Okay, now tell me what are the problems that you are facing? Since yesterday night, I have a stomach pain. Did you take a tablet? I took an antacid last night, but the pain was still the same. Okay. Any other symptoms do you have? Yeah, I also had vomiting last night and today morning as well. Okay, I will give you an injection for the temporary relief. Oh, injection? Don't you have any medicine? Why? Are you scared of injection? It's not like that. It would be better if you could give some medicine. Nothing will happen. You won't even feel it. Please, doctor, be careful. Now you don't have to be scared. Injection is done. Oh, thank you, doctor. Okay, we'll write some tests, do it, and bring them to me as soon as possible. Okay, thank you so much, doctor. You're welcome. I hope you have understood the conversation between a doctor and a patient. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. And you can also see the other videos of spoken English in my channel. So, please view it and try to share and subscribe. Thank you.